I'm going to show you how I make my spaghettis with ground beef. Hello, how are you? Welcome to my channel, Mommy in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to be cooking spaghettis with ground beef, and these are the ingredients that I'm going to be using. Spaghetti, a little bit of sugar, pasta sauce. So I'm using two different flavors. I'm gonna use tomato, basil, garlic, and traditional. Mixing both of them will give it a nice flavor. Paprika, garlic powder, Lawry's seasoned salt, onion powder, Italian seasoning, and I'm gonna and a little bit of salt. 4 to 5 pounds of ground beef. Okay, let's start. Here I put the water to boil, getting it ready for the noodles. I put a little bit of salt and a little tiny bit of oil. Now let's get to the next step. Okay, you can start cooking your ground beef. I got my heat on high. You can put it on high or medium high. Break it apart. Divide the meat as much as possible. Salt, Lawry's seasoned salt, onion powder, Italian seasoning, paprika, garlic powder, give that a stir, keep breaking it apart, divide the meat as much as you can. Okay, now that the meat is ready, we're gonna go ahead and drain it. Put those spaghettis in for at least 15 minutes or until it's soft. Drain the spaghettis. Let cold water run through the spaghetti so that you can stop it from overcooking. Add the sauce. Put the heat in medium low and let it simmer for like about 5 minutes. And last, let's add the noodles. Let's give the noodles a good stir and make sure that it's even with the sauce and the meat all together. And this is how I make my spaghetti with ground beef. I hope you guys found it helpful. I hope you guys enjoy the recipe. Have a great day. Thank you for watching. Bye.